Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today we are talking about they took the bags out of my hands. Woman says hotel she is staying at tried to steal her Grubhub McDonald's order. So as we all know, as gig workers, we can end up delivering to hotels from time and again. And sometimes they actually have us deliver to the front desk instead of the room because that is the policy. However, in this case, they tried to actually steal the Grubhub order out of her hands. Now, there could be a number of reasons for this, but I want to read into it to find out. So with that said, I want to go over everything that's being said in this article, how it actually is for hotels, customers, gig workers, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. A woman on TikTok says staff members at the hotel she is staying in tried to steal her Grubhub order. The woman who goes by Recycldstardust on TikTok says in the now viral video that she is staying at a Marriott Hotel in New Jersey. On the night in question, she ordered McDonald's for herself and her kids via Grubhub and waited in the hotel lobby for the driver to drop off their food. I'm gonna leave her TikTok as well as her profile in the description so you can develop your own opinions on the subject. And I gotta tell you, I really love customers like that. Don't make us go all the way to the room. Don't make us deal with the hotel lobby. You come down, we hand you the food, we make sure it's in your hand. Have a great day. Those customers are awesome to work with. The TikToker says she was the only patron waiting in the lobby, but the Grubhub driver didn't hand her the order. She says he plops the stuff down and runs. Although her name wasn't on the order, the TikToker took the bags since they seemed to be hers. What is with people just plopping the stuff down and running away? Like, at least make sure it's behind the counter at the hotel staff or something like that. I know that the Marriott can give us a lot of hard time, but come on, let's at least make sure it's safe and not just in a lobby someplace. Also, try to say hi to the customer if you can. When she took the food, a security guard and a hotel staff member approached her, Recycldstardust says. The guard and the staff are asked to check the Grubhub bag and told her she couldn't just take it. Okay, so from the outside in, the bag was actually placed there, but we're not 100% sure that it's her stuff. And she was waiting there a while, and instead of interacting with the driver completely ignored her, placed the order down, and left. And somebody who was waiting in the lobby saw that and ended up thinking that she might have stolen the food. This could be a confusion overall. Like, this could just be a giant misunderstanding. I'm like, they're mine. I ordered McDonald's for my kids and I ordered a salad for myself, and I was the only one down here waiting for the food. The TikToker says recounting what she told the hotel employees, which is a fair explanation. I don't know if that's gonna be enough for the hotel, but we'll see. She says the staffer took the order out of her hands and examined it. She claims the employees never asked her name or to see her Grubhub receipt. They never asked to see my phone. They never asked for my name, but they take the bags out of my hands and won't give them back to me until I literally snatched them, she says. Like, what the absolute F? You know, honestly, I don't even blame you. It's one thing if you're saying, all right, can we just see the receipt to make sure? And then you can just head on your way. Honestly, I would have been totally fine with that. And you probably could have just showed me something with the Grubhub logo and we would have left. But instead, you're just trying to steal somebody else's food? What the heck is that? Honestly, the first thing I could do is call corporate on the subject. This wasn't good service by the Grubhub driver, but it was certainly terrible service from the hotel. In the comment section, several viewers shared advice for the TikToker. Girl, never. You need to call corporate, one viewer commented. I would do the same thing. Call it being a caring, call it what you want. I feel it is irresponsible to allow people to treat me that way without repercussion. Make a complaint. You could even do it at the front desk, another suggested. In response, the creator wrote, it was the front desk that came over to me with the issue. No, you never go to the people that actually work there. You go to the people above them that they know they will get an absolute nightmare from in the event that they are treated like that. Also, I would never go to that hotel again. Other viewers expressed disbelief at the hotel staff's behavior. Oh, hell no. Oh my God. I would get livid, one viewer commented. I would be all over corporates' phone lines. I would be all over Yelp, all the review sites, all of it. Making sure that this was made very well aware that this is not the behavior you want to experience here. Oh, hell no. I love the Marriott, but this is unacceptable. Make a complaint to corporate. A second agreed. You know, I never really understood that. What is the great appeal of the Marriott? To me, a hotel room's a hotel room. What? I worked hotel front desk for years and would never, another wrote. In reply, the creator commented, I've stayed at Marriotts all across the country. I'm a platinum elite and never has any of them done this. I think it may have been the area. Yeah, this seems like a one-off situation. I have stayed at a bunch of different hotels. I've actually delivered to a bunch of different hotels, and all of them are relatively respectful, actually speaking. I don't think I've ever had a problem with any of the hotel staff or front desk staff. Some security, but that is each area's issue. But overall, every front desk person that I've dealt with has been pleasurable experience. Like, it's literally either I gotta wait for them or gotta call somebody, but they're relatively respectful. Like, come on. This seems like a one-off situation. This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. Honestly, I am shocked that this took place to begin with. A Marriott hotel front desk staff almost stealing somebody else's Grubhub order and accusing you of stealing. Like, it's one thing if you are trying to make sure that the order is not being stolen, but you're not even taking the steps necessary to actually identify when this takes place to begin with. If this is actually taking place to begin with, you're literally just trying to take their food. Now, here's the other side to that. The Grubhub driver can literally just acknowledge that the person is there, assuming the person is there, unless they're instructed otherwise, in which case, all power to you. Could it have been misperceived as her stealing the food, and that's why the front desk staff are acting that way? Yeah, but honestly, they need to take better steps towards actually identifying if the Grubhub order is actually theirs or not. Not just ripping the bag open and having the customer literally snatch it out of your hands just to get their food. Recycled Stardust, I hope that you were able to make a complaint to corporate and this person is not going to treat you that way anymore, because nobody deserves to be treated like that. And thank you for not immediately blaming the driver. Although the driver should have been able to just hand it to you. That is a personal opinion of mine. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!